What's up, guys? Today my mother-in-law and I are on a mission to fix her pond pump. Sadly, this beautiful pond pump at my mother and father-in-law's house broke. It actually stopped running water, and you guys won't believe what the problem was, and it's actually pretty disgusting, so I'm just going to warn you ahead of time. This is not for the faint of heart. Okay, let's look under the lid and try to find out what's going on with this pond pump. So in our case, if you can hear that, that's actually the pond pump running. So we know the pond pump is turning on, but as you can see, there's no water coming out of the top of the rocks. So the first thing you're going to want to do before you actually stick your hand inside and start taking things apart is to unplug the power from its source. Safety first, guys. When we start taking things out, the first thing that we are removing is this filter, this barrier, this wall that is supposed to keep a lot of leaves and debris from coming into the pump. Okay, and in this case, the next thing we need to do is to actually remove the pond pump itself. But to do that, we have to untwist this really stubborn pipe joint that's holding these things together. And so as you can see, we used a smaller wrench to try to do it, and it did not do the job. So we actually had to go to the store and buy a much bigger one that actually fit over top of it so that we could untwist it. Turns out it's exactly what we needed to do. That trip to the store was very well worth it. Now, once we untwisted it, voila, it comes right out. You ready to see this?
Oh, I'm going to be totally surprised.
Alright, y'all, I'm going to warn you, this next part is nasty. I'm about to show what is stuck in the pump. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh, it's the frog. When I reached underneath, that's what I felt. Now, y'all might think this is gross, but I'm about to get the biggest kick out of my mother-in-law's reaction. Oh, nasty.
Oh.
Oh, getting bones and everything.
I'm sorry. Oh.
Don't look, you don't have to look, Nancy. Don't, yeah, no need. No need to watch. Boy, I'll tell you though. I think we might need to take it apart. I warned you guys this was nasty, and it gets worse because the frog actually got so stuck that I couldn't just pull it out. We had to take more of the pump apart to get it out.
His eyeballs looking at me.
There he is.
Oh,
he
nasty.
is stuck in there. Yes, sirree.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay,
I just poked him through. Oh yeah.
Oh,
there he goes.
Oh.
Stop looking. Look away, Nancy. Look away. There he goes. Actually, it's just his legs. You want to cook up some frog legs for dinner tonight? Oh man. Alright, well, that might be it. Because now I can't see anything in there. But the question is, if that was just part of the frog, is the rest of them in the... You can kind of see some leftover frog parts in there. Nasty. Alright guys, so we got all of the frog out of the pump, and now we're going to put it back together and see if it actually works. Now, if you've had this problem before, you're going to want to stick around to the end of the video because Nancy and I are going to talk about how you can keep frogs from getting in your pump like this in the future. Okay. Oh.
Yay!
Well, like a charm. Congratulations, Carl, your pump works. There was a frog stuck in the pump. Keep frogs from getting in this area, right?
Yeah, because that's where the water.
Yeah, because they swim through, the frogs swim through right here, right?
Right, and
And
that
then
basket came up,
Yeah, and then...
and they swam underneath the basket. See, that just lifts up, and so then
So
you
they
swam
get underneath it. So how are you going to keep them from going underneath it?
I'm gonna put this so he can't even get in here. So it's going from here.
Right.
And lift over
Kind of
there.
look that around there.
Well, I think maybe the lid won't set right. It could be.
Yeah, so you'll have to come
So,
up with some way to...
This whole opening here, it's covered with this.
Yeah. And there you go, guys. It worked. If you've had this problem, I hope this video was helpful. I hope it saved you time, money, and a headache. And please like and subscribe if you found this video to be worth your time. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you in the next one.